Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the series of our tutorial on commerce. And we discuss money and banking right now. And we conduct a literary survey of money and banking. The first one is that of what is money? As our opening story illustrates, buyers and sellers are both concerned with the supply of money and its purchasing power at home and abroad. When sometimes a person asks you how much money you have, do you count dollar bills and the coins in your pocket? Do you include your checking and saving accounts? What about stocks and bonds? Do you count your car? Taken together, the value of these combined is your personal wealth. Not all of it, however, is money. We consider more precisely what money is and what does it perform. The characteristics of money. Under the Celts some 2,500 years ago, ancient Ireland had a simple agrarian economy. Instead of using coins, the cow was the unit of exchange. Modern money, in contrast, often takes the form of stamped metal printed paper, US dollar, British pound, Japanese yen, issued by the government. Theoretically, however, just about any object can serve as money if it is potable, divisible, durable, and stable. To appreciate these qualities, imagine using something that lacks them, say a 70-pound salmon. Portability. Try lugging 70 pounds of fish from shop to shop. In contrast, modern currency is light and easy to handle. Number two, divisibility. Suppose you want to buy a hat and a book and some milk from three different stores. How will you divide your fish money? Is a pound of it head worth as much as, say, two gills? Modern currency is easily divisible into smaller parts, each with a fixed value. A dollar, for example, can be exchanged for four quarters. More important units of money can be matched with the value of all goods. Durability. Regardless of whether or not you spend it, your salmon will lose value every day. In fact, it will eventually be too smelly to be worthy of anything at all. Modern currency, however, neither dies nor spoils. If it wears out, it can be replaced. It is also hard to counterfeit, certainly, harder than catching more salmon. Stability. If salmon were in short supply, you might be able to make quite a deal for yourself. In the middle of a salmon run, however, the market would be flooded with fish. Sellers of goods would soon have enough fish and would refuse to produce anything for which they could get any salmon. Goods would become scarcer, but the salmon would continue to or cease running, regardless of plentitude and scarcity of buyable goods. The value of our paper money also fluctuates, but it is considerably more stable than salmon. Its value is related to what we can buy with it. Well, what can money perform? What are the functions of money? Imagine a successful fisherman who needs a new sail for his boat. In a barter economy, one in which goods are exchanged directly for another, he would have to find someone who not only needs fish, but who is willing to exchange a sail for it. If no sailmaker wants fish, the fisherman must find someone else, say a shoemaker, who does want fish. Then the fisherman must hope that the sailmaker will trade for his new shoes. Clearly, barter is inefficient in comparison with money. In a money economy, the fisherman would sell his catch, receive money, and exchange the money for such goods as new sails. Money serves three functions as we explain them in the next video.